Hello friends, while attending any webinar, product demo or any session in a conference, you must be finding very few of them interesting while most of them of substandards. Do you know why it happens? It happens because the speakers of those very few presentations or product demo or those webinars follow a very good principle of presentation, and that principle is known by the name of 3E. The very first E is engage. You must have noticed that before starting their actual talk or actual content delivery, they do something, they speak something to engage with the audience at large. And this is their very first effort, even before they start talking the actual subject. They their first effort is to engage with the audience that are here to listen to him. The second E is educate. They always prepare their presentation or webinar or product demo content as per the taste of their audience. They know that their audience background is of what kind. They are technical people, they are semi technical people, or they are non technical people. Even if they are non technical people and they are supposed to be conveyed any technical message, then those speakers prepare that technical content in such a way so that even non-technical people can grasp their message. The third E is entertain. They know that anybody cannot be seated very serious for 30 to 45 minutes or even 1 hour. So during their entire session, they create some light moments so that the people mind can be refreshed and they can feel light minded during the entire session, and they can be focused on the speaker to grasp the message. So the difference is the speakers you found interesting during your webinar, product demo, or any session in a conference. Those speakers follow the three basic principles of good presentation, and that principle is known by the name of 3E. They first engage with their audience and they continuously keep engaged with them, because once you gain the engagement of a person, you can retain the engagement just for 3 minutes. So every 3 to 5 minutes, as a speaker, you will have to do something to regain the engagement. Otherwise, you will be losing the engagement and your audience will not be getting the message that you try to deliver. The second is educate. You need to keep your content as per the taste of the audience, not as per your own taste. And the third one is entertain. You will have to keep entertaining them during the entire session or entire presentation, say that so that they cannot find your content delivery very serious, and they can be light minded and very open minded to grasp your content. So if you want to be an interesting presenter for any of your upcoming webinar, product demonstration, or any talk at any conference, then follow these three basic principles of 3E: engage, educate, and entertain, so that your audience can take you interesting. Hope this video is informative for you. Thank you very much. Have a great day.